Today I am reviewing the Serena wig from UniWigs. It is a gorgeous dark brown color with some caramely highlights. It's a closed wefted cap with a lace top. I love how soft the hair is. I was really surprised that it was so soft coming right out of the box. Also, I cut the lace off. That was the only thing I had to do to it. These little baby hairs were already in there, which I love. Most wigs don't come with that, so that was really neat and like totally a surprise, a welcome surprise that I was happy about. I also wanted to show you her up like this in my little half up bun because this is how I've been wearing it recently, and it works because I feel like it's really full in the front, so it looks pretty realistic. It looks really cute. I'm really into it. I'll go ahead and take it down though and show you what it looks like. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you the inside. You can tell that it is temple to temple lace and a lace top. So you have this whole area to change the part and to play with. It's closed wefted, so that means a machine did it, but it's closed, so it's like really comfortable and breathable. It also has these adjustable straps, so you can make it tighter or looser. It's still comfortable enough that I can wear it around for a couple hours every day. You know, this is a stock wig, and it is less expensive. It's under $1,000 for Remy human hair. So you could use heat products on it. So that's definitely a pro. She is pretty good to play with and style. Like, look how easy it is. I don't wear a wig grip. You could see like that I just threw it on my head, and I'm able to style her the way I like, which right now I'm really into this like little half up bun. And I can pull out the baby hairs, and she looks pretty good. Overall, I would definitely recommend this wig if you're looking for something on the lower end of the spectrum cost-wise, because for the cost, this is like a really nice Remy human hair piece. The hair is really soft, the color's really great. It comes with these baby hairs already cut in. Like, there's really minimal effort you have to do to it once you purchase her. I think she's a really cute piece. I really have been enjoying wearing her around, like to go on walks, and I've been wearing her around like in the pool. I have not gotten her wet yet, but it's just kind of a nice like hair to throw up and not really worry about.